The 20th Congress opened with the re-election of Senator Cheese Escudero as Senate President and Representative Martin Romualdez as House Speaker. Here is a report.
Senator Francis Escudero retained his position as Senate President after securing 19 votes during the opening of the 20th Congress. Senator Joel Villanueva, who nominated Escudero, commended his leadership, saying the Senate had remained on the moral high ground under his guidance, particularly in handling the impeachment issue.
Sa inilabas po na desisyon ng Korte Suprema tungkol sa impeachment, ang tanong, Ginoong Pangulo, hindi pa po ba klaro na tama ang landas kung saan dinala ni Senator Escudero ang buong Senado? Napanatili natin ang moral high ground ng Senado.
Escudero also received support from members of the Duterte bloc, as well as from Senators Bam Aquino and Kiko Pangilinan, who have since joined the majority.
It is no longer an act of defeat or surrender. Instead, it is one of conviction. We are making the right decision. The shield-bearer leader with a heart is the right choice.
Meanwhile, Senators Risa Hontiveros, Mig Zubiri, Loren Legarda, Ping Lacson, and Tito Soto remain in the minority. Soto, who garnered 5 votes for Senate President, now assumes the role of minority leader following tradition.
I am always honored by any position entrusted to me by my esteemed colleagues. So I pledge to perform the duties and responsibilities of being the minority leader.
Senator Jingoy Estrada retained his post as Senate President pro tempore, while Senator Villanueva continues to serve as majority floor leader. In his speech, Escudero urged colleagues to work beyond the noise of politics.
Hiling at panawagan ko po sa aking mga kapwa senador. Magtrabaho po tayo sa kabila ng ingay ng politika.
In the House of Representatives, Leyte 1st District Representative Ferdinand Martin Romualdez was also re-elected as Speaker after securing 269 votes. He was nominated by Quezon Representative J.J. Suarez and seconded by Ilocos Norte Representative Sandro Marcos, who was later elected as the youngest majority leader in House history. However, several lawmakers abstained from voting, including Representative Albi Benitez, who said the chamber needs a leader who would stand behind President Marcos, not pull him down. In his speech after taking his oath, Romualdez criticized the Supreme Court's recent decision declaring the articles of impeachment against Vice President Sara Duterte unconstitutional.
The court may close a case, but it cannot close a cause. The pursuit of accountability is not a moment. It is our mandate. And as your Speaker, I will be here, not just to preside, but to protect. Hindi ko kayo iiwan sa gitna ng unos. Sisiguraduhin kong walang bubong ang babagsak, walang pader, magigiba, at walang miyembro ang mapapabayaan.
Meanwhile, Davao Representative Paulo Duterte walked out after roll call, refusing to vote and calling the process a political circus. Suarez was elected Senior Deputy Speaker, while Representative Marcelino Libanan was named Minority Leader.